I'm constantly told by our manufacturers and our food formulators, I am told I'm the most difficult human being they've ever worked with. And I love that. I really do. I love that. Because they say I challenge them in a way that they've never been challenged before. Because you see, the industry is filled with products that give you a lot of great stuff, I mean some amazing stuff, and then a little bit of bad. And I just don't believe in that philosophy at all. Why do all this great stuff with a little bit of bad? And when I say a little bit of bad, the supplement industry, excipients, flow agents, binders, all these things to keep a tablet together or to keep product moving through a tube. You know, these are all the stuff, the little bit of bad that people don't think about, they don't talk about, but a little bit of bad every day from a health company, it doesn't even make sense to me. So I run a really tight ship. That means everything has to be good. I'll give you an example. We used to have magnesium stearate in our products when I first joined in the company. And I changed it right away. Because it's one of those things that's widely used by almost all companies in the industry. It's just accepted as okay. Yet there's some research coming out of Canada that suggests that it's really not that great for you. Shouldn't be in your products. So I went to my manufacturer and I said, I'm done. We're not gonna use magnesium stearate. And he's like, that's what everybody uses. And I said, okay, we can do what everybody does, but we're gonna get what everybody gets, and that is subpar. Oh, why do we want that? I don't want magnesium stearate. So let's just be really clear. We're not going to use magnesium stearate. We need it, it's a flow agent, it keeps everything moving along. I said, wait a second, you just totally didn't hear me. We're not gonna use magnesium stearate. I don't even care what you use it for. We need a replacement, and the replacement has to have a benefit for the body. Oh, you're so difficult. I said, exactly. I'm so glad. And he came back and we figured out that rice bran would work. Now it's harder, it takes more time, it clogs up the machines. It's more difficult for the engineers on the floor manufacturing, but rice bran has all types of cofactors for helping B vitamins absorb into the body. It's a food, it's whole food. And look at how beautiful that is. What sounds better, magnesium stearate or rice bran? Well, of course, rice bran. And I think as consumers become more educated, they realize how we're different. People ask me, why do we go the extra mile? Why do I import zeolite from Europe or grapeseed from Italy or this mushroom from Japan? Why do we go to all that trouble? Because it's my job to find the best. And I know our zeolite's the best, protected by 2 patents. You know, I know it's the best. I know the grapeseed is the best. And so if we're gonna have high standards, if we're gonna have the gold seal of approval, if we're gonna offer our promise to people, then I better be doing my job and not sacrificing on the most important thing, and that's the raw materials. And you're gonna feel the difference. We're unique. When we make a liquid nutritional and other people are using preservatives, we aren't. Preservatives is the easy route, trust me. It makes my life a lot easier if I didn't have these values. Because it's less expensive, it's what everybody else is doing, and it's quicker to do it with preservatives and chemical flow agents. But we don't do that. Everything in our products is going to be something that is good for you and that won't harm you ever.